I just slung this tree. We'll go ahead and wind that winch rope in. Okay. All right, so here's how long the winch rope is. And you're gonna know you've gone too far when you get to this heat wrap. The red is actually to help with heat at the lower wraps, but you never want to go further than 1 full drum length or 10 wraps. So let's see how long this rope is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. So I got my kind of like a tree saver strap. It's a kinetic rope, but it'll do nice against that bark. And I'm just going to put this soft shackle through here. And through the noose here. You can cinch it up. And then I'll put this hook on here. Okay, so next we'll be able to start the loading of the winch.
Exit vehicle, winch in until all the slack is wound onto the winch drum. Hold tension on the, with gloves on, hold tension on the winch rope with each hand. Carefully push the winch rope to the side of the drum the winch rope is attached to so there are no gaps between each coil on the drum.
Great. Okay, it's
now
a new...
my foot's on the brake still.
Alright, here's your controller. And then I think down means in. And you just have a light brake on the...
But should I hit this?
No. Yeah, I guess if it's not in winch mode anymore. So you gotta rebind it. Okay, good. And now you can just start pressing down.
Take my foot off the brake and press down.
Yeah. You can hold the brake a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah. What is that?
Maybe a temperature warning?
Well, we're over halfway there, so let's just give it a second. And then we'll finish it up. Okay, it's green. Let's keep going. Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Okay. Well, it won't do anything. The button doesn't work when it's too hot.
Oh.
Okay. Ready?
You're okay.
It got hot and stopped.
Okay. All right, we think the battery's just getting a little bit hot. Battery's old. It's been through a dead alternator. Stay tuned for that video. But we're gonna just increase the RPM to spin the new alternator a bit faster while we winch this time. Less throttle. Okay, so you're saying there's quite a battery drop.
Yeah, well, watch what happens to the dash lights when it pulse.
I was just taking a look at this after that temperature warning didn't allow the system to run. That surprised me. So I looked in here and there's some settings. Previously this had been set this way, which said, hey, if it's warm, don't allow the hook to go. The green check mark meant that's what was set. So I'm gonna change it now up here. So now it'll, under a temperature warning, it'll still allow me to use the hook. What funny language. Funny graphic too. Okay, so let's drive forward. Yeah. Wait till I'm holding it. You're gonna pulse it, right? Okay, ready. Big mark. Ready? Got 2 meters. What's that? Sure. 1 sec. Okay, we're all set. I'll just hook it up and we'll be out of here. Thank you. So the problem I'm having is this thing won't come on and it won't hold battery charge at all. So I was using this power pack to keep it going and use it remotely. So I'm going to use this new one. So this is exactly the reason I got a new remote sent. The new one, it'll stay on even when it's low battery. This one just will never come on no matter how much it's charged. Warn, they're pretty awesome. They sent me a new controller because, well, first they tried to send me a new battery. My controller just wasn't holding the charge, but I got in touch with them, told them what I was doing, and problem solved. Thanks. Okay, this is a wonderful update. It's taking a charge. One other thing I'm doing is putting this mount in so I can access it really easily from the dash. Right up here. Pretty sturdy, huh?
Yeah, good.